Further on in the chapter, we get to this part here, which is about structuring and destructuring and restructuring. And you can see we're still just using the return keyword, haven't learned select, haven't learned create or anything like that. So we're just learning about like the structure of objects. And you can see there's an object here that's got 3 fields. And if you return just the object, you'll see the object itself. And you can also do .town, you can do .age, and then it's going to resolve to one of the fields. And if you want to see both of the fields, this will not do it. This will generate an error, and that's because at this point, .age, after this, the query is done. The parser has found its value, so it's gotten as far as this 20 here, and then all of a sudden it sees this extra town, doesn't know what to do with it, so it says unexpected token, expected end of file. And the way you resolve this is by adding a new structure. So what is the new structure going to be? Use dot to carry it over, and you have access to all these fields. So you can do this, for example, name and age. And so this is the old structure. You grab it and then you say, put it into this new structure, please. And then it's going to give you that. You can change the name of the field like that, person name, age of person. So you can give them aliases. If you do that, it's going to give you a none because it's there's no field called AG. So make sure that it resolves to a real field. And the part that is most interesting about this, so this is a really simple example, but later on when you get into graph queries, and we'll have videos on that, they get really, really helpful. And here's why. So let's say this is for later on in the book, create person Aeon, set name equals Aeon, age equals 20, town equals, town equals Toria. That is the town that Aeon is from. And then give Aeon a friend called person2. The person's name is Aeon's friend, and they're both from Toria. Then we'll take this out, and then we'll do a relate. So we'll do person Aeon likes person2, and then you get to the graph query, which is select, let's see, likes person from person. So what this will do is it'll show you all the people that, all the relationships in which a person likes a person. So you can see, this is actually, I'll add the name here so you can see who I'm talking about. So it'll select the name from a person. So this person's name is Aeon, and Aeon, who does Aeon like? Well, go to the likes and then go and see if there's a person record there, and it turns out there is a person2. Now at this point, you would like to maybe bring in the person's fields. So what do you want to do there? You can do like a dot star, which will bring in everything, but you might not want to bring in everything. You might want to bring in name and town, and that's what this this destructuring operator is useful for. And so before 2.0, you would have to do like an extra line for each of these, likes person name, comma, likes person town. But thanks to this, you can just give it a new structure and just put in the fields that you want to see, and it'll show them like that.